Well, Bert, facts are facts. Big Bird's been cooked into a turkey. Ernie, that's enough. We don't have any proof. We didn't see anything. Wait, that's it. Oscar, you must have seen what happened to Big Bird. Maybe I did. Maybe I didn't. A good friend of ours on Sesame Street might be dead. This is not a joke. I tend to not involve myself in other people's affairs.
Idly ho, everyone. It seems like Thanksgiving's come early this year.
No, Kermit, don't!
Nonsense, Bert. There's plenty for everyone.
I guess now wouldn't be a good time to ask everyone if they want to order a pizza.